It's very important to me that the mediation process be fair and that the mediation agreement be fair and seen that way by both the parties. It's a very difficult concept to understand fair because it really is seen through each individual eyes as to what is fair. It's very difficult to determine. However, as a mediator and as a neutral person, my goal is to make sure that both people's concerns and interests have been addressed and discussed, and that they both feel that they've really accomplished getting to what their interests are. I often talk to people about how they can make the process feel fair. And one way is to make sure that they get all the information they need in order to negotiate for themselves. There's no, you're not signing anything on the dotted line during the mediation process. It is completely voluntary. There's no agreement, there's no final agreement until everything has been read through, until all the questions have been asked, until a person has reviewed it with their attorney, their accountant, their therapist, whoever they feel they want to ask questions of and get guidance and advice from. Oftentimes during the process, if one person has more information than the other, like one party is more financially savvy, the other person who may not have been as involved in the finances during the marriage may want to get some financial advice, may want to talk to an accountant, may want to get a financial plan, so that they feel they have the same level of information. And that's really what balances the mediation and makes it feel fair. In terms of the agreement being fair, an agreement is negotiated in the shadow of the law. The shadow of the law is a judge ultimately has to make a decision as to whether this agreement is fair and reasonable. And it's a very important decision that they make. They actually have to sign a finding, and it's a very structured approach as to what is fair. So my goal is to make sure an agreement goes to court that not only will a judge see as being fair, but that both parties will see as being fair. So there's a lot of area to negotiate in that space.